Hi, I'm Jeff Liddy, the window expert. Today we're going to do this. We're going to say, do solar screens work as well as double pane windows? You might be surprised to find out. Hey, so I want you to come with me. I'm going to go grab Jason. I don't know if you guys remember Jason. He's been in a couple of videos. I'll put a link down there below. Hey, Jason, what are you doing today?
Oh, working on a window, working on a custom window.
Yeah, that looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
So we've got a video about these custom windows that we make, and it's really cool stuff, this flex. Hey, Jason, I'm going to want your help if you don't mind.
Yeah. Got a second.
So, Jason, how long have you been here?
8 years.
8 years, yeah. You can tell he looks like he used to be young and handsome.
A lot of gray now.
Hard work really does it to you. So I'm standing here with Jason in our training center. And as you can see, we have these beautiful setups that we did. We have a door and siding, window and siding. We have brick. We have stucco. And this is how we train our guys how to replace, how to flash, how to seal properly in different situations. So Jason, first question.
Okay.
Do you have any idea what we're doing today?
I have no idea.
Honest. No one told you?
Nobody told me.
Okay, good.
I have no idea.
All right. Well, here's our first victim.
Great.
All right. So, Jason, here's what we're going to do.
Okay.
We were at a job a few weeks ago, and we pulled off these solar screens off of somebody's house. And I thought what we should do is bring them in and do a comparison, because we get people ask all the time. They say, you know, double pane window. Why would I want to buy a double pane window when for about half the price
Get the screen.
I can get a window screen? So I thought what you and I could do today is use some science, right? Not just opinions, because I have an opinion. Do you have an opinion?
I have an opinion.
Okay. What is your opinion?
Double pane.
You think double pane?
All the way.
Why? Why would you say that?
It's insulated. It's got argon gas. It's got low E. It's got everything that you would need. It's double armor than what a solar screen would offer.
Okay, so well, thanks for watching this video. Jason says, all right, so Jason, here's what we're going to do. We're going to turn on this heat lamp, right? This is simulating the effect of the sun. And I don't know if you can feel that, but it's warming up pretty good. Actually, I think we stole this out of a 1970s gas station bathroom in Minnesota. And I'm going to use this little laser gun here to see the temperature on that. It looks like it's about 200, it's jumping around about 229, 245, 250 degrees. That's where we're at with that. I also brought this thing. It's called a window energy profiler, also known as a spectrometer. And what it can do is it can read some of these data points for us, right? Because you and I might be able to feel the difference, but it's hard to feel the difference on a camera. So I thought we could use that. So, Jason, as you know, in Houston, we spend most of our year trying to keep the heat out and the cool in, right? And because I'm from Michigan. Where are you from originally?
Here.
Okay, so you know. All right. So in Michigan, we spend most of the year trying to keep the heat in and the cold out, right? So obviously it's going to be a different scenario. If you're watching this video and you live somewhere where it's really cold, you're probably like, what the heck is a solar screen? Your equivalent to a solar screen would be what you would call a storm window. You remember those? They're like made out of single pane aluminum, and you screw them onto the outside around your trim, you know, around the out trim on your house. And that's how you're trying to have an equivalent to a double pane window in that case. So what we've been wanting to do is like talk about, will this work better than or as good as doing this? So what do you think we should do, Jason? Should we start with the heat gun, or do you want to start with a spectrometer?
Let's start with the heat gun.
Heat gun. Okay, why don't you grab the heat gun?
Okay.
And we've had that bake in there for what, about a minute or so?
Yeah.
Okay. So aim it at that. What do you got there?
76.
76.2. Okay. And just to make sure you're not cheating, don't move. Don't move. Ready?
All right.
Yeah, 263 degrees. Okay, yeah. So this is actually doing something. So 78. Let's call it 79, okay?
Okay.
All right, so now let's take that out of the way. And let's put this thing in there. Is there like an inside or an outside? Oh, this must be the inside. This must be the inside. So let's make sure we're doing it fair. Okay. Let's put that where the heat is on the outside, so the sun's outside. And what do you got there?
230. It's like if it wasn't even really there.
Okay, hold on. Hold it there, and I'm going to pick this up. You ready? Okay. Wow, how did they go to 400? Okay, wait, don't move, don't move, don't move. Okay, don't move. Hold it right there, 440, 430. 102, 104. Okay, 98. No. So you're not cheating. It's just that much different? That's unbelievable to me. Hold on. Wow. Okay, you know what? Let's do this. I mean, based on if we're gonna just be judge and jury right now, I would have to say, Your Honor, you were right. The double pane does work better. Yeah. But let's for the skeptics out there who are like, oh yeah, that's a sleight of hand. That guy, he used to work at a carnival. He knows how to take people's money, right? Let's use this spectrometer, okay? So I'll let you hold the spectrometer.
Okay.
Okay, so we're turning it on, and it's kicking in. Let's start with this one since we went the other way last time.
All right.
So what we're going to see here is we're going to read those numbers. Okay, so ultraviolet light. Why don't you go ahead and hit that pause button? Okay, so I can sit this down. All right, and we'll put these up on the screen. So here's what we got. We have 13% of the ultraviolet light coming in. Now UV, Jason, is the stuff that like discolors your floor, makes your car paint job not look so good in a couple of years, gotcha. Right? That's the kind of stuff that you don't let your kids stand by the window because they could die of it, right? 37% of the light is coming through. So if there was no window, you just open your window, there was no screen, nothing, you'd have 100% of the light coming through. This is reducing it essentially down to where only 37% of the light comes in. So that means that 63%, this is blocking 63% of the light. And then the infrared, those are the rays that cause heat. Actually, those are the rays that warm up your house. So these destroy things,
gotcha.
These heat
That's
things
the
up.
Heat. Okay.
Right, okay, and of course the lower the number on these two, the better.
The better.
The higher the number on that one, the more light I get in my house, right? Because if I'm looking for a dark place, then I shouldn't even put in windows. I just might as well live in a cave. And in this last one, solar heat gain coefficient, the lower the number, the better. In other words, kind of like miles per gallon, the higher the better. In this case, the lower the better.
The lower better, got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so we have 13, 37, 31, and 43, and we'll keep those on the screen for you here in a second. Okay, now go ahead and do the hold button. Yeah. Okay. So it resets back to 100 on all of those, right? And now here is our double pane glass. Okay, go ahead and hit pause. Okay, we'll put these up side by side. Look at oh, you didn't hit pause. Come on, Jason.
I didn't hit it hard enough.
Okay, there you go.
There it goes.
All right.
Okay.
So we've got 4% compared to, wow, I can't remember the other number now. Was it 30-something?
30-something, yeah.
Yeah, and look at it, 63% compared to
37.
37%. So I got almost twice as much light coming through. And here's really the kick, right? Because we're talking about
the heat.
Yeah, the heat.
In.
Look at that, 1%.
Wow. I didn't know that. Yeah. I didn't know it was that good.
And the other one was what, like 0.4 or something or the other? And look at this. Yeah. This is a 0.28. Remember, the lower the number, the better. And by the way,
half.
Not just the lower the number, the better. It's like an exponential number. It's kind of like a golf score, right? Like if I shot a 75 and you shot a 72, you're not 3 points better. You're like twice the golfer I am. Okay?
We know that's not the case, though.
Well, no, but when it comes to fishing,
right. I'm a little better.
Yeah, you're pretty good at fishing. Yeah. So, to answer the question, if you're asking still, what are the drawbacks or benefits to each of these? Well, I think that the benefit to double pane, Jason, is not just that I'm getting a double pane better performing unit, but you have to remember this. These units now are better at reducing sound, right? This does not reduce any sound whatsoever.
None whatsoever.
This is a better unit when it's combined in a window and proper installation, of course. It's better at keeping the sound out and keeping dust and dirt and pollen and all those other things out. This is not going to keep dust and dirt out of your house. You know what it's going to do? It's going to accumulate dust and dirt.
You'd be washing windows more. Yeah. You'd have to take them off to wash the windows.
And like, look at this. You can see the screw holes here, right? So this was permanently adhered.
Yeah.
That means that this homeowner did not get to easily clean their windows, right? Where, these windows you can clean from the inside. We can even tilt it in. Yeah, we can even tilt it in and clean it from the inside. And then, of course, The other benefit, long-term benefit to this, I think, is it's for your own health. Like, you know, people who live in areas that are dark and gloomy, they tend to have higher levels of depression and things like that. And so being able to have plenty of light coming into your house without all of the heat coming in, without all the dust and dirt coming in, without all the sound coming in, makes for what?
Better mental health.
Better mental health. I don't think we need to talk to Jason about mental health. Mental health. He's
mental
a man.
health,
He's a man.
yeah.
He's got mental issues.
Just a little.
Well, listen, if you're in the Houston or DFW area, most parts of Texas, we service here at the Window Experts. But if you don't live in that area, I get people all the time watch my videos and they say, Jeff, do you know a great window company near me? Or Jeff, I wish you guys were up here in New Jersey or whatever. And so you know this, Jason, we started a website called jeffslist.com so we can just help people go find a great window company near them. And buddy, I appreciate your 8 years of service here.
Oh, thanks, boss.
It's been great. Appreciate you playing a little science fair with me today.
Enjoyed it.
And I'll let you get back to that window. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll talk to you again real soon.